everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Andreea I'll, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I've created the makeup, this makeup right here, on Amina Muaddi. But of course, I'm gonna apply it on myself. It's not the same, I know, but it is what it is. I've posted this look this past week on my Instagram, on my stories, and I got quite a lot of you asking me to do a tutorial or to break down the products that I was using on her. So I was thinking, I'll just do a tutorial because it's a super easy look. When I created this look on her, I had no idea what she was going to wear. She's like, I don't know what I'm gonna wear tonight. And I was thinking, okay, you know what? I'll just play safe, and I wanted something that looked super good at night, and I came out with this look. I'm gonna do the exact same makeup but using slightly different colors on myself for the skin because we don't have the same color, but the eye and the lips are exactly the same. So let's get started. I'm starting with the eyebrows already done because I wanted to have a little bit more space. As you saw, Amina has like huge space for makeup. I have almost none, but I feel like every time I'm using the soap brows and like lifts my eyebrows like 2 millimeters higher, and I feel like I have all this space on my eyelids. So if my eyebrows look weird right now, it's because I was using these soap brows, but I promise you once the whole makeup is done, it looks much better. When I did this makeup on Amina, I have used the Pat McGrath Skin Fetish Foundation. However, I'm going to use the by Terry Hyaluronic Hydra Foundation for myself because right now it's a better match in terms of color with my skin, and I also want to leave the house after. And this has a little bit more coverage. I'm gonna go to a party. By the way, this color I'm using right now is 400. Can you get me closer? 400W. And it's such a beautiful color on me right now because I'm like, I still have a little bit of tan. Obviously, all fake tan all over my body. This foundation spreads the best with the Beauty Blender. This foundation looks so good in natural light. Even in pictures, I feel like it looks good regardless. And you've seen, you guys, I have periods of times when I use this like constantly, obsessively, and then I move to something else, and then I get back, and it's like that. Before I do anything else with my skin, I'm gonna do the eye makeup because in case there are any fallouts, and I will have fallouts with this particular product, I could just wipe it off, then apply concealer and everything else. The first product that I was using is the Lid Lustre in the color Mink from Victoria Beckham Beauty. So let me open this. Here's what it looks like. And then let me show you this. Are you kidding me? This is like perfection. Look how beautiful. This is like a grayish brown. It looks amazing on the eyelids, and in real life, I mean, I feel like the video doesn't really do it justice. I was using a brush on her, but I'm going to use fingers on me. I'm taking that product, get it on the mobile lid, all over. Up until the crease. Then I'll use the Nars brush. This has no name on it. I think it was limited edition. And I'm spreading the product a little bit higher in the crease. So I didn't take any product, right? Just with a clean brush. And I was using this Fenty Beauty eyeshadow palette. This is in number 6. And I've taken the darkest color. This is a Refer 13 brush, and get it at the outer corner. Amina has a much darker skin than I do. On her, this color on the eyelids actually looks much more gray than on me. I only apply right at the end of the eyelid and spread it towards the end of my eyebrow. Refer 16 brush to just blend the edges. Then I'm taking back that Mink color that I was using on the mobile lid and apply it on the lower lash line. I have a lot of fallouts in this area, so I'm glad that I've started with the eyes. Okay, so there's a point in the makeup process where, you know, if you start with the eyes, they might look like such a mess. But you have to trust the process, you know. A lot of times I actually didn't like it, but then I ended up loving it. Before I get rid of all the fallouts that I have under my eyes, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty. This is How Many Carats highlighter. This is just unbelievable. And this is what I was using on the inner corner of the eye. This is a Sigma F70 brush. This brush is so good for glittery eyeshadows. Pack it the inner corner. And then a little bit, very, very little in the middle of the eyelid. Now I need to clean the mess under the eyes. So I've put a little bit of Bioderma micellar water on a cotton pad and I'm cleaning this area. Okay, so I've cleaned under the eyes and I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. On Amina, I used the Jouer Essential High Coverage Concealer. Why did I apply so much concealer? I don't need that much. Anyway, the Beauty Blender is going to absorb part of it, so it's fine. But yeah, I prefer to use the Tarte Shape Tape on myself. You guys have probably seen on my Instagram that from time to time I have this really cute French bulldog. It's not my dog. It's Amina's dog actually. So Amina is Alfie's mom. Cream blush from Fenty. My color is Macchiato, but I think I was using like number 5 or 6 on her. I don't remember exactly, but definitely was this product. And then the blush that I was using is this Sonoya 01 from Shiseido. This is the name of the color, Sonoya 01, okay? This is a whipped powder blush that I love. If you're new in here, I use this all the time for a lot of skin tones. This color is just amazing, not to mention the consistency. So it looks like a cream product, but actually when you touch it and you spread it, really feels like a mousse. So it looks incredible on the skin. This is a Hakuhodo J511 brush. Next I'm going to be using this Nars Laguna bronzer with a MAC 137 brush. Actually, it doesn't look like a bronzer on her. It's more like a finishing touch powder on her. But I love to use it because this bronzer, it's not completely matte. It has like a sheen to it. So whenever I apply it on her skin, it just gives that beautiful shine of the skin. And I also love this brush a lot for this step because it's so fluffy, so it doesn't pack the product on top of your skin. It will be like just a very thin layer of product. The brush makes a huge difference. So I've contoured the lips with this Wycon lip liner, which if you guys know Cork from MAC, this is warmer than that. This might not be good for me, but I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna spread it. I'm gonna use it less on me. In the back of my mind, I had the, you know, the 90s lip. I'm gonna spread a little bit the lip liner so it's softer, and then on her I was using this lipstick from Fenty in the color Cookies&Cocoa. This is from my kit, so I cannot use it directly, but this is totally the type of lipstick that you could use it directly on the lips. I love it. You're going to see how beautiful this is. This is so rich. I love. Ooh. You guys, this feels incredible on the lips. And the colors that are available for this lipstick, so good. I didn't realize that the eyes are not done. So I was using a black pencil on her, but only at like the end on the waterline, but at the end, towards the end of the eye. And then on her, I was using the Benefit Bad Gal Bang mascara. On me, I'm gonna use this new one. This is the PILLOWTALK Push-Up Lashes from Charlotte Tilbury. And you know what? It was the first time when I actually did not apply lashes on her because that mascara was that good. Then a lot of mascara on the lower lashes. Last but not least, highlighter. So on her, I was using the iconic London highlighter. This is very liquidy, and I was using this color on her, but on me, I'll be using the original. And this looks wet. This looks like the skin is so incredibly dewy. I think this is what it makes her skin look so buttery and hydrated and perfected in pictures. This product is really good. Now I'm going to use the Way Texturizing Hairspray to do my hair a bit, give some texture, because I've just cut my hair. Look, you guys, this is what it looks like right now. I think it's so cute like this. I like it. You know what? I didn't expect to like this as much on myself because, you know, looking completely different. But I guess it worked out. So if it worked out for me, how about you try it yourself if you like it? And you don't need to have the exact products that I do. But yeah, this is the final look. Look at that highlighter popping right there. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye. I just wanted to put a little bit of powder on. Oh my god, my Botox game is strong.